understanding the phrase tenfold, enhancing your English vocabulary. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning journey. In today's video, we are going to delve into the phrase tenfold, a word that you might have come across in books, articles, or even in conversations. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what tenfold means and how to use it correctly in sentences. So, let's get started. Tenfold is an adverb that combines the words ten and fold. The word ten is a number, and fold, in this context, refers to times or amounts. When we put them together, tenfold literally means 10 times as much, or 10 times as many. It is used to express that something has increased or been multiplied by 10. Now that we know what tenfold means, let's see some examples to understand how to use it in sentences. 1. After implementing the new strategy, our profits increased tenfold. 2. In this sentence, tenfold is used to indicate that the profits have become 10 times greater than they were before. 3. Her happiness multiplied tenfold when she heard the good news. 4. Here, tenfold is used to express that her happiness became 10 times stronger because of the good news. 5. The population of the city has grown tenfold in the last 50 years. 6. In this example, tenfold indicates that the population of the city is now 10 times larger than it was 50 years ago. When using tenfold, make sure that you are referring to an increase or multiplication. It is not correct to use tenfold to describe a decrease or division. For example, do not say, the price of the product decreased tenfold, if the price was reduced by 90%. Instead, you can say, the price of the product was reduced to 1/10 of its original price. Congratulations on adding another useful phrase to your English vocabulary. Tenfold is a powerful word that helps to express a significant increase in size, amount, or degree. Remember to use it when you want to describe something that has become 10 times as much or as many as before. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, keep practicing and enriching your English skills. See you in the next video.